A mist is applied with our secret formula to control dye running and to keep wool fibers soft during the drying process. Your rug is then secured onto the metal bars, which we send up into the second floor drying room. Using our conveyor system, the rug is raised 40 feet above and spends 8 hours drying before coming down to pass inspection. Our massive drying room can dry approximately 300 to 350 different size carpets at one time. Our uniquely designed drying room is equipped with temperature and humidity control in order to minimize the risk of damage to your valued rug. Once dried, the area rugs are brought down for inspection.